Hi guys, it's Andy here. Today, just would like to share with you some of the screen share annotations. Some sort of a thing that we can highlight, we can draw something on the screen when we do screen share over Team, Microsoft Team, or use Zoom or Webex or anything like that. And we can basically draw quickly something rather than just use highlighting like this, which is most of the time that we use this highlighting, but it's very limited when we want to draw something, when we highlight stuff. It is not so easy with that. And we have many options here. If we in Zoom already have this option, which is pretty good, but it's particular to Zoom. For Team is coming out as well as a whiteboard from Microsoft that will be integrated into Team, and then we will have something from the whiteboard, and then we can have that sort of thing too, highlight stuff like that. But it's even a whiteboard brainstorming everything, but it's all in preview. And it's particular to Microsoft. Today, I just would like to show you one of the very lightweight applications that can do all that for us, and it's very easy to install, and it's actually written by Microsoft, which is the ZoomIt. ZoomIt, and then if you type in Google ZoomIt download, you can go here, and if you follow the link, you're gonna end up in this Zoom page. That's the link there. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video. And this application is written a couple of tool that miscellaneous tool that system like an internal of Microsoft, but it's in the public. We can use it, and it's actually written by Mark Rasinovich, and he's quite a high ranking in Microsoft as far as I know. And this application can give us some sort of highlight, type in, draw, zoom in, even recording, and even this sort of the break time, stuff like that. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Oh well, by the way, Mark, if we search for him, yeah, in Google, you got to come out right away. That's him, and he's a chief technology officer who give us this program for free. Let's download it. Yeah, so download. Down, shows in the folder. You see, it's in my download folder. We have this zip file, which is very simple. Just a zip file. You get into the zip file. If you extract it, so you can have this as a executable file. And all you need, you just need to run this file. But I want to put this in more well-organized folder than the download folder, so I already put this in my location here to use, so here, but you can put anywhere you like in your hard drive. Yeah. So let's go ahead and run it and see what we got. Yeah. When we double click on it, you see a tray showing up here, down here. Yeah. Yeah, you see that. It's running here. Yeah. So now we can start to be able to do some sort of screen annotation. Yeah. Or something. Control 1. A line on my screen. Yeah, something like that. I want to tangle around the thing that is important. I want to have an arrow. Oh, I want to change color to green, for example. And I want to have an arrow showing this. Oops, that's another rectangle. Let's try again. I'm still learning how to use this. So basically what you can do is actually you can even draw a diagram. Yeah. And you have text. So just put the mouse there and you type T and then you can start typing. Yeah. That's the client, for example, and then you move and you exit that and move your mouse over here. Don't click on it. Type text again. And you can have server, yeah. And so eclipse or circle, yeah. So you tap, hold tap, and then do that. I'm just making up something here, yeah. So put it here and you say text again, and you can say this is your script. Well, you can position this better than that, and you can do it too. Or I try to position it, yeah, nicer text. And this is written in Rush or something, yeah. And you want some sort of like a database look, and then maybe we can draw some little database down here by using this sort of the stuff. Draw any way you like. Let's make some arrow, and arrow change color to blue, for example. Or if you want to have the sign of the that's zoom, but if you press control, then the thickness of the drawing is coming up. So like if client talk to the server, add color, and then let's go to the database, for example, stuff like that. Yeah, so basically you can draw stuff on your screen, and even if you don't want the background, it's not a highlighting, nothing related to the background, you want to have a brainstorm session and things like that. So maybe you want to have a blank thing. Yeah, so let's do that. You can do W white screen. By default go yellow. Yeah? But I like green. Or let's go pink this time. Yeah. So we can do over here. So yeah. Stuff like that. Yeah. Something. Yeah. You can do whatever you like, but we have a white bar here. What also cool is whatever thing that you draw on the screen currently, and you can do control save. And then you can save it as a picture. And that picture can send everywhere for your team to capture is. We don't lose the thing that we talking about. Yeah, so let's get out of that. What you can do is you can zoom. Zoom. Okay, say zoom just like a magnifier. And in this zoom mode, you can just click and stay there, and you start to have this drawing width, and then you can even zoom in a highlight. All that is available here too. To escape, to get out of it, just escape. What else you can do? You can You can have a break time. Yeah, you can have break time. So let's go to this guy. Click an option. You can break time. Look, break time 10 minutes. Countdown right now. We can do record. Yeah, we can even record the screen. Yeah. So it's like I do record, and you see it's highlight the screen yellow around. So at the moment it's actually recording the screen, and then when I stop recording that again, I can save the recording by the MP4. So we can upload anywhere we like for that video, for the step that we already recorded. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So so that's all the thing that we can do on the screen, and you can share along all the like an online application, communication application like Teams, Zoom, things like that. Yeah. Now let me show you how you can customize this app. And control panel. It's got a very old look. Yeah, got a very old look, but again, here a little bit small here. But I can't really use the application to zoom itself to really see it. Let me try window. Sorry. So really for the zoom, you can have your shortcut here, and in as a all this description is about what we can do with it. Yeah, we can do it with the mouse wheel. We can have the right click of the mouse, and we can get out by the right click of the mouse, and yeah, just follow the step here for the zoom. But the live zoom is a little bit different from zoom. Is that the only thing is that it can clickable. Yeah, you can in the zoom mode. It actually you can still interact with the screen. In the draw, the shortcut is that. Yeah, and then you can do a lot of things here. Yeah, red, green, blue. You see I changed the color before. Yeah, play with it. This is really cool. This is exactly what I'm after. You can change the font, yeah, how it like. I choose this font just to be a little bit like a writing, but yeah, we actually typing. Yeah, you choose anything that you like. That's the break time, 10 minutes. But I think that you see the countdown and record. Yeah, record quality. And change scale quality of the video. And that overall you can. One is show tray icon, which is the one now here. Yeah, if you want to run from the start, you do that. If you like very frequently use it for presentation or video, then you can turn this one on. Yeah, like that. Yeah, the application is quite simple to use, but I find it's so useful and nice. Thanks to Mark Rosinovich. Yeah, that's it for today. I want to share, so let me know if you like, and see you next video. Thanks.